Hi, so we're here today with Leo and his new Bezgar truck.
And then it has GoPro, since you know how
The GoPro mount?
We can use the videos.
Cool. So that's where we mount the camera. And on the side of it, it shows Bezgar7. That's the housing. So with this car,
we can't lose these, so it's very important for the truck.
Yep.
So it can keep it on.
That's so true. We need these. Try to not lose them. Holds it down. You can use two, but definitely keep all four. So this car comes with nice, rugged truck tires. They look nice and cool.
Squishy. So you can say that's fun.
Yeah, that's good for the dirt, going on the dirt and sand.
Oh, and also there's springs.
That's the shocks. Yep, the springs for the shocks. And it has control arms and axles on each side. Look at that. It spins. And that goes in, and that spins on the inside. Spin it again. So it's all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive. Like
and it has
a Toyota.
Yep, like the minivan Sienna. It has a battery here. Is a 800 milliamp battery. It will last about, on a high power, you'll probably get like 15 minutes out of it. Low power, you'll get probably like what, 20 minutes of fun?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the motor. You don't touch when it's after running it, because it's really hot. It gets really hot.
Too hot.
Right?
Like fire, and then like lava. Things burn right through in it.
So what's this?
Oh, maybe, is it called the engine core?
That's the antenna, the receiver.
Oh yeah, the receiver antenna.
And the battery has a wires leading to the front, which is so cool. And where do they go to?
The LED lights. It's super cool. Super cool.
So right now, we've been driving it for like about 15 to 20 minutes. Actually 15 minutes, right?
It did not die.
Yeah, so it's still got a little bit more power to go. On the website, it has a lot of accessories. This is an Amazon product. You can get it for a reasonable price. As for a birthday gift, how do you like it?
So much, like 20,000 likes. And then if you give us 20,000 likes,
okay.
We really appreciate that.
All right. So what is that?
So this is the same thing how you use it.
What is that? Controller, right?
The controller. So we would put this on and turn it on and show you how it looks when it moves. Since you would know how it looks, again, how it drives.
We'll just put two for right now and then the other ones later.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. So this is to go. You push back and look. And then you press it. Look at the car. That's how you go. And then you push up like this or this if you want to be sort of fancy. Like, look at the car.
So that's how you go back and forth. How do you turn?
So this wheel.
Left and right. So turn left.
Down is that. Look at the truck.
Okay.
And I go like that. This is right.
And left. Good job.
This is right.
So right now it's on low. We put it on low so it doesn't waste too much battery, and we can ride it on the sidewalk, and you can twist it all the way to fast. So it can
Super fast.
So it can go pretty quick. And this is for like the turning angle. So if it keeps pulling to one side, you can adjust it. And on and off switch.
Oh, look at the lights when you turn this off.
All right.
Beep, beep, beep,
So
beep.
this is our review. We think it's a cool car to get, right?
It is.
You like it?
So much. 10,000 likes, and then if you give us that many likes, I would appreciate that. And then like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Actually, smash it so I can break the keyboard. Not really. So it's just a kidding. Like
Okay.
when people say smash the like